Hello, thank you for joining us. Fewer refugees will be coming to Minnesota in the next coming months.
The Supreme Court decided today to partially uphold a travel ban President Trump put into action earlier this year. The ban affects some people coming to the U.S. from Libya, Iran, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen, all predominantly Muslim countries.
The president issued the executive order in January. However, federal courts initially reversed it. As of today, though, the Supreme Court announced most of the ban could be enacted until the court hears the case in October. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield is looking into how this ruling hit close to home for many Minnesotans.
Yeah, that's right, Frank. Of the 150,000 Somali immigrants who live in the U.S., more live in Minnesota than any other state. There are also immigrants from the other countries listed in the ban. The ban isn't as vast as the last one, so we talked with some immigrants here who are trying to figure out exactly who this one will affect.
Peppered with mosques, coffee shops, and a recognizable skyline, Cedar Riverside is home to many Somali immigrants.
This is my home. You know, this is where my kids are born, we're raising family. This is home.
A refugee in 1999, Mohammed Noor is now a proud Minnesotan. He spent the day trying to figure out who will be allowed to follow in his footsteps.
I think people may not know the details, including myself.
There are some sore memories from January when several families were kept apart.
That stopped everybody on their tracks. That created more confusion, which, people didn't know what it is.
These were some of the reunions at MSP when federal courts reversed the ban. Unlike the last, more far-reaching ban, with the latest ban, visitors from these 6 countries who have a bona fide family or business relationship with someone in the U.S. can still visit.
It doesn't look like as big as a deal as it was, but it's more about who is going to be impacted the most.
It appears refugees who come alone, as he did, will have to postpone the dream.
And unfortunately, refugees are people who are actually running away from a situation to come find a better life. And those are the ones who are impacted the most.
President Trump called the Supreme Court's decision, quote, a clear victory for our national security. Details are still not firm, but this partial ban, it could be back in place as soon as 72 hours from now.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye and see how things get implemented. Thanks, Susan Elizabeth.